and Lake. Special weather statement for northwestern Cook, southeastern Lake and DuPage counties until 5 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a line of strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near WARRENVILLE to SCHILLER Park and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Dime-sized hail and wind gusts at 50 to 55 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, HOFFMAN Estates, Downers Grove, GLENVIEW, ELMHURST, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Wheeling, Parkridge, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140, Interstate 94 between mile markers 23 and 39, Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 19, Interstate 294 between mile markers 23 and 39, Interstate 355 between mile markers 18 and 30. This includes Oakton Community College, Triton College, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Morton Arboretum, Ravinia Music Festival, and Wheaton College. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to a minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.